Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the average boiling point, different types of average boiling point for a crude oil and a petroleum fraction. This is discuss કરીશું આપણે. This is an important question in a GTU exam. Okay. So now start કરીશું. This is the main important point. Unit number 2, properties of crude and petroleum products વિશે જોઈશું આપણે. Some basic discussion part and the types of gases in their composition part. Okay, now start the average boiling point. Okay, so because of the fraction boiling regularly of absurdly over a wide range in a basis per se, it is essential to represent the boiling point of the fraction by some method. अलग अलग मेथड છે એ જોવાની છે આપણે. It is essential to represent the boiling point of the fractions by some method which can specifically denote certain physical properties for narrow boiling cuts, and the above mentioned boiling point tend to be special. The volume range boiling point is based upon the boiling temperature of different cuts of the fractions. Usually cuts are chosen at regular intervals. Thus whole the cuts, it may be represented as this one. Okay. જે wide range છે it is essentially to represent the boiling point and of the fractions by some method. अलग अलग मेथड જોવાનું છે, which can be specifically denoted certain physical properties for narrow boiling cuts to boiling point slope less than 2. All the above mentioned boiling point tend to be equal. Okay. મેન છે વોલ્યુમ એવરેજ બોઇલિંગ પોઈન્ટ. ઇટ ઇઝ બેઝડ અપોન ધી boiling temperature for different cuts of the fractions. Usually cuts are choose at regular intervals and thus for okay, thus for this basis the regular intervals માં જોઈએ તો whole crude it is may be represented these equations for a true boiling point T10 to T19. Okay, by 9. This is the equation. Write down your notebook all this one. Okay, 2.5a and 2.5b. Now these main equations true boiling point for a volume average boiling point છે. Okay, what is the main? This is the volume average boiling point. Okay, so now to TB, T10 to T20, T30, T40, T50, T60, 70, 18 up to 90 by 9. Overall 9 points છે. Then જે વોલ્યુમ એવરેજ બોઇલિંગ point, it is such data is not available, then it may be defined as this problem. Okay, the volume average boiling point TB, the T30, T50 and T70 is a range of 220 differentiation by 3. Okay, the denoted by this section the volume average boiling point, which is the main equations, this one, this one also. Okay, this is the first one and this is the second one. Now well all percentages આપણે વોલ્યુમ માટે જોયું બરાબર, where all percentage are in volume, if the fractions is boiling over a narrow range of the temperature on the T50 may be accepted as a average boiling point. T10 means the temperature indicated when exactly 10% of the stock is collected during the distillation part. Okay, weight average in this case instead of volume, when fraction is the choose for evaluating boiling point. Thus a weight average boiling point TB is equal to T10K plus T20 percentage and T90 up to 9 percentage. Okay, the equation લખી લો. Now this is the main equation for a weight average boiling point. Okay, now this section is the most important, where all the percentage are involved. If the fractions in a boiling point regarding over a narrow range of the temperature, then the T50 to may be accepted as the average boiling point. T10 means the temperature indicated when exactly 10% of the stock is collected during the distillation part. Weight average boiling point માટે આપણે જોઈએ કે in this case instead of volume, weight fraction is choose from evaluating boiling point. Thus the weight average boiling point TB is equal to T10K plus 20 and 90 by 9 up to 9. જે બહુ equations જોઈએ પ્રમાણે છે. This is the weight average boiling point, these equations. Now weight percentage calculations are based on the weight basis per se. Molar average, this is the base upon the boiling temperature at a different mole fractions. It is a no doubt previous job as a determination of molecular weight for each cut is not predicted. Molar average TB, Tx1 plus Tx2 plus Tx3 by x1 plus x2 plus x3. આ ઇક્વેશન્સ ખાસ છે, લખી લેજો. Okay, all point regarding there. What is the x1 and x2 and x3? This is the mole fractions and T is a boiling point correspondingly. Okay, કયા કયા પોઈન્ટ છે આપણે? ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ધ વોલ્યુમ એવરેજ જોયું. ઓકે, વોલ્યુમ એવરેજ and then the molar weight average, then a molar average. Okay, this is the most important equations in a average boiling point માટે. Molar average TP is equal to Tx1 plus Tx2 plus Tx3. x1 x2 અને x3 ના બેસિસ પર આપણે ઇક્વેશન જોઈએ છીએ. કે x1 x2 x3 are mole fractions, t1 t2 are the corresponding boiling point, then mean average boiling point, this one. Okay, this is the temperature at which some physically properties like a specific heat, specific gravity, etc. of more of fractions are found out by the taking at mean a temperature level. Specific heat at the temperature T dash is equal to C dash P and T double dash C dash P. Okay, આ ઇક્વેશન્સના બેઝિસ પર છે. Okay, mean average, this is the temperature at which some physical properties this is the mean average boiling point. Okay, this is the temperature at which some physical properties like a specific heat, specific gravity of fractions are found out by the taking a mean temperature, mean of temperature levels, and the specific heat of this relation is. Okay, now the T dash P and T dash double dash is equal to C double dash P. Now next જોઈશું આપણે mean average equations છે. This is the average specific heat of boiling point crude માટે જોઈશું. Okay, the specific heat average is the T double dash T dash no divided by 2 specific, and the C dash P plus C double dash N by 2. This is the second part of this equations, mean average માટે. The mean average and average boiling point coincide for a blend of two component and two components, and these are the related to true boiling point. Slope are as shown in the figure માં જોવાનું છે 2.6 A અને B માટે. Okay, this is a specific figure. Okay, now મેન જોઈશું આપણે નેક્સ્ટ એવરેજ બોઇલિંગ પોઈન્ટ. જે મીન એવરેજ બોઇલિંગ પોઈન્ટનું ઇક્વેશન્સ છે તે જોયું આપણે. હીટ સ્પેસ એવરેજ હીટ સ્પેસિફિક હીટ. નાવ ક્યુબિક એવરેજ જોઈશું હવે આપણે. The some properties like viscosity seem to be additives when cubic average is taken to considerations part, and rather than mean average more or molar average, thus these equations. Okay, the TB is equal to V TA raised to 1 by 3, same B mate, same C mate, up to whole bracket raised to 3. So all these boiling points are interconvertibles, and the boiling points can be worked out by the knowledges, and the some slope of this distillation curve and the fractions the method of the indicated out of the slope. Okay, ASTM to boiling point and effective flash vaporizations is the same part. Now this is the main equations is the cubic average. Okay, simply all these boiling points are interconvertibles, and the boiling point cut can be worked out by the knowledge, knowing the slope and the distillation curve. Okay, simply this is the main equations T70 to T10 60 by this equation curve. Okay, ઓકે, આપણે વેરિયસ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ એવરેજ બોલિંગ પોઈન્ટ જોયા અત્યાર સુધી. ઓકે, તો થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે એન્ડ અનધર પોઈન્ટ. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.